I'm sitting in a 2013 Kia Optima. We're going to be programming two original remote controls. There's one here, one there. Our OBD2 ports, I'm going to use the cover down here. No keys needed in the ignition. Just go straight to Optima. Key coding. 13. Remote control 2. Program remote. We're going to do up to 4. This will erase all remotes. It'll tell you to turn the ignition off, but you don't have to. No key. Alright. First remote. Hold it down. Would I like to do an additional remote? Yes. Second. 2 remotes programmed. No more. That's it. Unhook from the car. That works. And you're done.